Well, the Pune's mafia family, it has vanished. 5 days on, there is no trace of the Ketkars, the parents of the sacked IAS officer Pooja Ketkar. They are accused of abducting, confining and assaulting a truck driver at their Pune residence after a collision on the road. Now, the couple, they have been missing from their residence for more than 100 hours. The Pune police, they have formed a special team in order to hunt for the accused. The CCTV footage is also being examined at this point of time. My colleague Radhika Ramaswamy now joins us to get us more on this. Radhika, give us an update on the investigation as far as this particular case is concerned.
That's right, Osama. It's been 4 days, but absolutely no trace of Ketkar family. In fact, there are multiple teams that have been formed from both Pune as well as Navi Mumbai police. Their phone are being tracked. At this point, the phones are switched off, is what we are being told. The CCTV footage across their premises, locations, residence, office being scanned. There are teams sent to their premises, not just to their residence, but also to their ancestral home, farmhouse, company, as well as factories. Not just police teams from Navi Mumbai as well as Pune, but also NDTV teams are trying to track them down. But they're obviously not in any of these locations. No bank transactions over the last 4 days. So yes, it is a cat and mouse game, one could say, as far as Ketkar family and the cops are concerned. Not the first time they've been charged for such offences. This is for abduction as well as assault when they kidnapped that truck cleaner and then sort of obstructed cops from doing their duty, for which multiple FIRs had been registered in the past. Too, we know about Pooja Ketkar, her history, how she misrepresented her identity and also misused her position and was sacked later as an IAS trainee, and also another FIR against her mother as well at the time for brandishing gun against a farmer. Now more charges against them, but they've been known for breaking law and evading law for the longest time, and that's what they continue to do. So a lot of answering that the cops have to do at this point as to why the serial misconduct are being tolerated, had been tolerated by the police, by the authorities for so long.
All right, Radhika Ramaswamy there. Thank you very much for getting us all those details. We'll in fact keep a track of this story.